Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Al Saib's coach recently just said that FC Goa's 12th man was the referee. What do you have to say about this?
I think it's my sixth season in India. I think that more or less, you know me. If I see that the actions are for us, I will say it. Even two players, they told me that the handball but seriously, if it's handball, is from my position is impossible. Maybe if I am in the other bench, maybe I can see the hand. And I don't know if it's inside or outside the box. If it's inside the box, it's penalty, and if it's handball, if not, no. One day the referee is for you, one day the referee is for us. But I tell you seriously, I don't think that we qualify because of the referee. We qualify because maybe they were stronger, and maybe they are angry because they lost against one team that they thought that they would beat this team.